All right, people, I know I said I wasn't gonna post, but you know what? I just couldn't wait. I had already ordered this stuff a long time ago, and I had done videos about my theme this year, and I was gonna do clues, and send a prize to someone that guessed it. Well, man, I didn't even give any clues really. And
except one mask, right?
Yeah, one mask that was totally not even related to the movie, just it was like a skull mask, but it doesn't even look like the skull mask from the movie. But somebody just put some two and two together from ghosts, and some of the things that I had been
which we don't theme our inside to our outside.
Right. So I'll actually show you guys the inside theming.
I'm not done yet.
Okay, I won't show you guys.
You can show a little bit, but not the whole thing.
Julie's not done yet.
Don't show the bar. I'm not done here, but you can show them that. But I'm still not done.
Anyway, someone from Canada already guessed it, and holy smokes! And I'm like, hey man, let me know what you want me to send you, and I'll put their name on the screen as I'm talking about this. And they're like, oh no, don't worry about it. It's like crazy shipping to Canada, but I'll send them some Steve's Haunted Yard stickers and some other stuff that's inexpensive to ship. But I don't even care if it's expensive. I'll ship it to them because that's what I said I'd do. But let's look at the theme. So if you did not see the comment of someone guessing from Canada, you're about to see. Cemetery, but I'm going to integrate it into this theme, right? So the cemetery will not be the whole front of the house like normal. It's going to be one little section of cemetery as part of the theme. You guys can see it. Oh, look at that. Yep. My theme this year will be trick or treat. It's honestly one of my favorite Halloween movies. I love it. And yeah, I thought it'd be fun because when I was doing the theming before, I would just add elements to my cemetery, like I did ghosts in the cemetery one year. I did witches and all that, but I didn't change it up. The Sleepy Hollow one was totally different. That one was really fun, but here we go. I got the Sam. I will do a separate video of unboxing him and putting him together and showing you how he works. I know there's probably a million videos online already of that, but hey, you know what? It's the Halloween season. So how about as many videos of that as possible? And it's cool because this one is the one with the two masks. It's got the burlap and it's got the pumpkin head. You can interchange the heads, which is super cool. So, and I had the Sam, so I had to get this. You guys guess. You pause it and guess what this is. Also from Spirit. Couldn't get Sam without this. Because I'm thinking about doing a scene specifically with this from the movie. And you guys will definitely know what scene I'm talking about. Boom, the flaming pumpkin. So I was definitely wanting to do the room scene with all the writing on the wall right before Sam catches the house on fire. And that scene, I'm thinking, will be in the driveway area, kind of the spot where we're going to be giving out candy. And the walls behind us can have all of the writing, and then we'll have the flaming pumpkin in the corner of that little room scene. I think that might be really, really cool. So anyway, definitely leave me some comments. Let me know if you're excited about this theme this year. I know I am. I'm gonna try not to build too much stuff. I don't have a whole lot of time. You know, it is the Halloween season. And so, gotta build the ghosts that are in the front yard. I need to come up with some sort of white picket fence. If anybody has any suggestions, please let me know on an easy way to do that. Definitely need an easy way to do that. And what else? What else was I gonna build? Oh, I'm gonna build the wife that gets strung up on under one of the ghosts with the lollipop in her mouth. I think I'm gonna try to make that prop. And then I'm making 5 of the trick-or-treaters. Oh yeah, and I'll show you guys those masks and those builds as I'm going along through the setup. So that'll be some builds that you guys will get to see. So make sure you stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, support the channel, share this video, let everybody know about it. Love you guys, and you know what to do? Get your haunt on. Right, babe?
Yes, please.